Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Kishu. My friends, at this time one of the best cryptocurrencies in the fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market. My friends, you know what, at this time the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The Bitcoin pricing is negative. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, VeChain, every cryptocurrency is going negative, but still there's a one coin, the Kishu, is only going positive. My friends, in this time if you want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market, so the Kishu is the best option, perfect option for everyone to invest in a Kishu. And personally you can see here, and this time the crash market crash time, the Kishu is going positive. The whole changes is going positive. Not only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, not only the last 1 day pricing is positive, the whole changes is going positive. So I really appreciate Kishu this time, my friends. Please subscribe now ABS Tech channel. Before starting this interesting video and before discuss more about the Kishu, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribed my channel, so stay connected, my friends. My friends, you can see here that the currently price of the Kishu is $0. What mean that? My friends, that's not mean that the exact price of the Kishu is 0. No, that's mean that the price is very low. That is why the price showing here 0, my friends. So first of all, you know what, why I recommend for everyone to invest in a Kishu at this time? Because the first talk is that the Kishu price is very low, and the second talk is that the Kishu changes is going positive. Kishu take a jump, and the low price coin cryptocurrencies is also give us a profit, and Kishu price is also low. So if you want to invest easily, you can invest in a Kishu. $100 invest in a Kishu, absolutely you will get a profit. Especially for short-term investor, wake up, my friends, and invest more and more in Kishu, my friends. Because this time the Kishu is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies, and only Kishu is going positive. Remember that, my friends. Not every cryptocurrency is start positive, my friends. In this time every coin is going negative. Oh my goodness, that is the quick jump. That is the quick jump of the Kishu. So wake up in the market, and that is the trending coin in the market. My friends, if they continue this kind of jump, so the day is not so far, Kishu will make you millionaire. You can see the price of the Kishu is very, very low, my friends. So I'm very excited to see this kind of change. You can see it going straight to the moon. Going straight to the moon. Kishu are in the moon, my friends. In this time trending coin, the last 3 days pricing is positive 19.69%. so if you want to invest, that's a good idea, my friends. I recommend for everyone, and my prediction is 100% positive. I believe that Kishu will continue this jump to the whole this month. They will continue this pump. So hold it and don't do this mistake. Don't decide to sit at this time. Now that is just the beginning. The huge pump of the Kishu are coming soon, so hold it. And please, my friends, click the subscribe button, like this video for more news and updates videos about Kishu. If you have any question, tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.